tutorials videos, support us by like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get all new videos. Hello everybody, welcome in a new tutorial of Adobe Photoshop 2020 Essential Training. Today I'm gonna teach you how to put an amazing photo in both sides of this building without losing the view decoration. First, we have to unlock the background, then duplicate the photo. Then choose polygonal from here, lasso tool, and zoom in and start select the building. Start select the area that you want to put photo in it. After finish selecting, go to the other image, unlock it, go to select all, go to edit, copy, then back to our workshop and choose edit and choose paste special. Don't use paste, just use paste special and paste into. As you see, looking is not very good. We have to reduce the fill to become 80, and from blend mode we have to choose overlay. As you see, the decoration and the details of the building already seen now, you can easily see it. And if you want the looking similar like the building, you have to choose luminosity from here and increase the fill again, but decrease the opacity. To get the best result, now you have to zoom out and see the difference. You can see. Also, you can move the photo. You can choose which area. Also, you can Command T and control it. Now check. That's without, that was the photo. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos, please support us by like the video, subscribe the channel and turn on the notification bell to get all new videos.